A federal judge today said that he will make a decision very soon on whether to toss out Sean Combs' conviction on 2 prostitution-related charges.
And today, Combs appeared in court just days ahead of his scheduled sentencing, where his attorneys argued the prostitution-related charges were not properly brought. And it was an argument that left prosecutors annoyed and frustrated.
Eyewitness reporter Darla Miles is live in Lower Manhattan with the details. Darla.
Good afternoon, Liz and Lauren. This hearing lasted about an hour and a half this morning, and attorneys for Sean Combs essentially argued that after he was acquitted of sex trafficking in the case of Cassie Ventura and Jane, that the 2 counts that he was convicted on, transportation to engage in prostitution, really doesn't make any sense. Sean Diddy Combs out of confinement for the first time in almost 3 months, wearing somewhat wrinkled tan prison clothing Thursday morning, his hair and beard well groomed, but wasn't a fresh cut. This a stark contrast to his sharp, preppy look during his 8-week trial. Combs warmly greeted by Judge Arun Subramanian. "Good morning, Mr. Combs." The 55-year-old enthusiastically responding, "Good morning, Judge." His teen daughters, 3 sons, mother, and other close relatives packing into a federal courthouse in Lower Manhattan with bated breath about Combs' fate. Attorneys on the case summoned back to court 2 weeks ago to answer very specific questions the judge has about the defense motion to vacate the guilty verdict of 2 counts of transportation to engage in prostitution involving ex-girlfriend Cassie Ventura and another ex testifying under the name Jane for the days-long drug-fueled hotel nights or freak-offs with male escorts paid for and frequently recorded by Combs. The defense arguing prostitution doesn't include commercial voyeurism, that Combs should not be viewed any differently than a producer of amateur porn, and because the encounters were taped, he's protected by the First Amendment. But federal prosecutors shot back, accusing Combs' team of wanting a second bite at the apple, and that any clarification about the definition of prostitution should have been raised at that stage during pre-trial hearings, telling the court otherwise, the defense could just hold that in their back pocket and hope for an acquittal, but raise the legal argument when there is a guilty verdict. Now, after the hearing ended today, Combs spent a little time in the courtroom with his children, his family members, 2 rows of them. He said that he's getting closer. This is what he told them, that he's getting closer and closer to getting home very soon. He told his family he loved them. He even told one of his daughters that he likes her new hairstyle. So he was in good spirits after seeing his family. But again, this decision pending, and we don't know when it's going to come down, but everyone's waiting to find out what it will be. Reporting live in Lower Manhattan, Darla Miles, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.